I am going to go get hair Botox, and I've never done it before. I let my hair air dry, hoping that you can see the before air dry, because apparently hair Botox is supposed to make your hair air dry beautifully. So when I get there, I'll take another picture and we'll see. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we are going to the salon and it's so humid out, my lens is fogging up. So I'm in the salon and I'm going to show you how my hair air dried. It's a little bit frizzy and it just, I don't know, it's not that great. Let's see the before and after. Here's a little close-up look. You can see like some frizzies coming out here. And hair just got washed. And we're going to do the Botox. So basically he's just going piece by piece in my hair and saturating it with the Botox. So he's done the bottom and my right side, and now we need to do the left side. Okay, I look bald, but now we wait. My whole hair is saturated in this Botox. Alright. He saturated every single strand of my hair, and now he put it in like a little turban, and he's coming with some heat, so I'm just gonna sit here with the heat on. So he just rinsed it out. He didn't wash it. He didn't put shampoo or conditioner, he just rinsed it. So I assume it's gonna stay in here, and he's gonna style it.
He started off being very kind of
Alright, so I'm done with the Botox. He told me I cannot wash my hair for 2 days and tomorrow to apply a little oil to it. He did say that this is like an ongoing process, so this is just like the first round and I should be coming back every month and a half or so. So I'll update you when I get home. So it has been 4 days since my hair Botox, and I let my hair air dry last night. I went to bed with it about 85% dry. I will say that the back here was kind of really wet, but this morning I woke up and it's pretty controlled. Not as frizzy as before. I guess I have to do an after picture now and compare them. But my hair definitely feels really, really soft. And when I was washing my hair, before the hair Botox, you know, after your hair is washed, you can like pass your hands through it and it felt very like, I want to say squeaky clean, just kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, almost like rubbery. And then when I pass my hands through my hair now, after the hair Botox, it just feels like soft and almost hydrated. So it definitely helped my hair. The hairdresser did say that it's something that needs to be done every so often to upkeep the health of my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to give you my opinion and show you exactly what my hair looks like air dried.